Welcome to this walkthrough of our new VisiPoint platform, engineered to power LamasaTech's Zentron kiosk range. When the kiosk is in idle mode, you will see this engaging animation which invites users to stand in front of the kiosk. I'll now show you the new VisiPoint settings menu. This is a new settings menu where you can manage your device settings, user list, etc. The first thing I'll show you is our new journey builder. Our new journey builder lets you customize the journeys for 3 different user types: our walk-in users, visitor users and staff users. Firstly, I'll show you the flow for our walk-in and visitor users. So we have the user type selected at the top and facial recognition as the input type, as well as a temperature check. We have the compliance builder and we have a health questionnaire set as the compliance check. In the compliance check settings, you can set to show the check every time someone enters, daily or one-off. So we'll use every time for visitors. You then have the feedback options, so whether the kiosk shows an audio alert, the temperature reading, the message and the lights on the top. In the message, you can customize your welcome message and your denied message, so you can enter welcome or pass and fail and customize that as you like. You then have your output settings. In here you have your print badge settings, and that allows you to customize what you're showing on your printed badge. You can have your photo switched on or off, the name, user type, temperature, etc. And then finally we have the notification settings. So you can have a notification show if someone has an irregular temperature reading, if they're not wearing a mask when they should be, or if they don't pass the compliance check. So you can enter in a notification email. And switch that on just by clicking there, and you see everyone that's switched on has the blue tick next to it. I've saved that now and click done, and I will show you the entry process for that user type. We have built a sophisticated gesture recognition engine which allows users to answer the agreements or questionnaires using a thumbs up or a thumbs down. I'll show you the process for a visitor now.
Welcome.
In the new VisiPoint software, you can now bulk import your user list from an Excel spreadsheet. You would go to your user list and use the user import function. You can still edit your users and add your users manually just by clicking on Add User and entering their details, and you can capture their photo as well. Now for staff members, I'll show you an example staff member in the list. We have Kelly Smith here, and we want to use the RFID sign-in function for the staff members, so that no facial recognition has to be used. So Kelly has her details entered in here, and then to match her card or fob to the system, all she needs to do is tap the card on the device. Then the RFID card number will appear in this field, and you can click Save. Now we have RFID input selected for the staff user type. When a user approaches the device, there will be a few seconds and it will ask for your card or fob to be presented if you have one. If no card or fob is presented, the kiosk will default back to the walk-in or visitor user flow and will continue the process as normal.
Please scan your RFID or QR code. Please face the detector frame. Welcome.
So that's the staff member signed in now, and they have accepted their terms and conditions. Now we'll give you a demonstration of our compliance check creator. If we go into compliance, we have a couple that are created there, and I'll show you how to add a new compliance check. You can enter a name, and then select whether the compliance is an agreement or a questionnaire. So it has multiple questions in there. So this time I'll select questionnaire, and for example, I'll enter one question. Have you had any symptoms? I'll select yes and no. And this is an example of an agreement. So in the agreement we just have a main body of text and either I agree or disagree and the desired answer in there. And then in the user journey builder you can select which agreement or questionnaire displays in the different journeys.